Crypto Block IQ brings you the latest Terra Luna news today, Bitcoin price analysis, and Luna Classic price prediction for the next days and weeks. Over the next few minutes, we present to you the latest crypto news. Terra Luna Classic price may increase by 32% soon. Does this indicate a bull's resurgence? Terra Classic price increase of 200% in a week. The cryptocurrency industry has gotten a lot of negative news in 2022, causing prices to fall even more in an already existing bad market. Certainly, some projects have been able to withstand this and continue to build their infrastructure by seizing this chance. The devoted communities of these projects also played a vital role in their success. Despite considerable condemnation from mainstream financial institutions, cryptocurrencies have established themselves as a viable and investable asset class. Investors flock to the industry in search of projects to lodge their wealth because of higher payouts than traditional investment options and lower interest rates. A sizable percentage of the population is investigating assets with the potential to produce high returns on investment, while others are seeking for safer assets. This is because, although their returns may be lower, their money will be more secure. However, recent events have created a shift in this perspective. Top ventures that were supposed to be among the most promising cryptocurrencies flopped dramatically, stealing billions of dollars in only a few days. This setback for investors in a number of projects was caused by BTC's decline after hitting an all-time high of almost $69,000 in 2021. One such enormous project, LUNC, or Terra Classic, was predicted to succeed but almost failed. However, in recent days, the token has begun to recover momentum, which has piqued the interest of investors who were previously bullish on the token. What is the definition of LUNC? The Terra blockchain's native currency, LUNC, was released in 2018. It was founded by Kwon and Daniel Shin, and its original concept soon gained traction among investors all over the world. The LUNC token was primarily used to regularize and stabilize the price of Terra's stablecoin. The price was supposed to be linked to the US dollar, which meant that the token had to be worth a certain amount at all times. In contrast, did not employ gold or US dollars as a collateral reserve. LUNC tokens were used for the same purpose. Ideally, if the value of exceeded $1, LUNC tokens were destroyed and new tokens were created, increasing supply and decreasing demand. The practice is reversed when the value of goes below $1. As a result of this innovative strategy, it has grown to be the leading stablecoin network, with one of the biggest cryptocurrency communities. The solution was intended by both founders to encourage Bitcoin adoption while simultaneously ensuring asset stability and security. What went wrong with LUNC? LUNC was one of the industry's major ventures and was previously listed among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It had a market capitalization of more than $40 billion and a price of about $116 before losing more than 99.99% of its value. More than $2 billion in was unstaked from the Anchor protocol around May 17, wiping away millions of dollars from the business. The unstaking might be caused by a multitude of factors, such as a declaration of war or an increase in interest rates. As a consequence, the price of decreased to 91 cents, which some investors took advantage of. They swapped 91 cents worth of for $1 worth of LUNC in massive quantities, causing the value of to plummet even lower and the amount of LUNC to skyrocket. This went on for a while, until the project lost almost all of its value and several exchanges stopped trading for it on their platforms. Following the catastrophe, several exchanges delisted the LUNC and pairings. While CEO Kwon worked quickly to design a plan to protect the ecosystem by generating a second version of the token, LUNC was already trading at approximately $0, down from its all-time high of over $116. Is it possible for LUNC to recapture its all-time high? In practice, the chances of LUNC hitting $116 or even $1 at this time are small. This is because the token's supply is so massive that LUNC would need a market price in the billions of dollars only to be worth $1. However, based on its all-time high after the collapse, which was at $0, it may be a reasonably reachable aim. The LUNC community has taken a hit since the collapse, but it seems to be alive and well, with an optimistic view for the project. Indeed, as a consequence of multiple significant announcements and events, the token recently increased by more than 30%. Jumping from about $0 more than $0. Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, said that it would assist the community by burning LUNC investors' trading fees. The project has also kept its consumers informed about the various upcoming adjustments and advances that can be expected in the next months. LUNC may be prepared for huge gains in the future with such community growth, and stability, as well as endorsement from firms like as Binance. Terra Classic rose dramatically after being in a very unfavorable market for over a month, creating an upward parallel channel, suggesting a positive price trend. The key issue is whether or not the price consolidation inside the parallel channel will prolong the bullish trend. The LUNC price is presently trading at $0, plummeting dramatically in the previous month, culminating in a wedge shape in which prices consolidated for almost 2 weeks. In the closing weeks of September, prices immediately cleared the top trend line and surged 79%, hitting the parallel channel's resistance level of $0. The LUNC swiftly fell below the average level of $0, then consolidated between the average level and the support level of $0 a few days before quickly rebounding and breaching the average level. Following the break of the average level, Terra Classic prices steadied for a day between the resistance level before dropping to $0. Prices for Terra Classic are expected to dip at the support level, quickly rebound and exceed the average level, and then reach the resistance level with a 32% price gain in the near future. Terra Luna Classic price increase of 200% in a week. Following the recent news from the Binance exchange detailing the Terra Classic burn mechanism, the Terra Classic has seen a large price increase in the last few days. LUNC's price has risen by more than 70% in the past week. It also had a 44% price increase in the previous month. According to CMC, the token's value has dropped to $0 the last 30 days. However, in the same month, LUNC had a significant price surge, reaching $0. Following LUNC's good price movements, the token climbed into the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of trading volume. Terra Classic's market worth is now approaching $2 billion. Binance, the top cryptocurrency exchange, has revealed intentions to decrease the token's supply. On September 26, Binance introduced Terra's 1.2% burn tax. The price of LUNC soared by more than 45% within an hour after the exchange's announcement. According to Binance, Binance will put in place a burn mechanism that will transfer all trading fees on LUNC spot and margin trading pairs to the LUNC burn address. Furthermore, with a one-day trading volume of $960,852,634, the Terra Classic is presently trading at $0. LUNC, on the other hand, has dropped by roughly 10.18% in the previous 24 hours. According to CMC, the token has a circulating supply of 6151072613161 LUNC. The Terra Luna Classic price is holding above $0 at attempts to break above the 9-day and 21-day moving averages. Meanwhile, a close over $0 paved the way for a greater advance in the next sessions as LUNC USD gradually climbs towards the $0 level. The primary resistance level, however, may be at $0, with the bulls potentially hitting probable resistance levels around $0, $0, and $0 the short future. However, if there is no definite break above the moving averages, there is a risk of further drop. However, as the technical indicator relative strength index continues above the 50 level, the major support may develop at this level, below which the price may fall to the supports of $0, $0, and $0. Luna Classic price prediction L medium-term trend, fluctuating. A new positive action on the 4-hour chart suggests that buyers are going to dominate the market. The Terra Classic price, on the other hand, increases to close a big gap as bulls push the currency towards $0. If the bullish pressure persists, the Terra Classic price might reach $0 a short period of time. Otherwise, the price may revisit the $0 below supports. A bullish move to the upside might test the barrier at $0 higher. The relative strength index is now advancing over the 60 level, which might indicate that the Terra Luna Classic price will encounter the channel's upper barrier. Is it prudent to avoid placing more buy orders in the LUNC USD trade around the 14-day SMA? Technically, it is prudent to refrain from placing more buy orders in the LUNC USD business operation at this time, particularly around the 14-day SMA's value line, as price rises toward the $0 level. Bullish momentum is continuing in effect at this time, with a tiny reversal moving mode to warn long position placers to be mindful of issuing new purchasing orders at the present trading ability speed. On the negative side of the technical analysis, bears may have a greater chance of pushing back against the LUNC USD market value around $0. However, they would have to wait for a form of convergence around the value line before seeking for an aggressive correction moving method to leverage an immediate execution of a selling order. The $0 level will be the next target if the resistance line breaks northward. Medium LUNC USD chart. The LUNC USD medium-term chart shows the crypto market climbing toward the $0 level, which is located above the buying signal sides of the SMA trend lines. The 14-day SMA indicator has moved slightly north of the conjoined region with the 50-day SMA. The stochastic oscillators have pierced the overbought area, suggesting that a recurrence of downward motion is possible in the near future. As a result, purchasers may have to wait a little longer. On a 24-hour period, most cryptocurrencies are likewise very static, with minimal losses. Ethereum is down little more than 1% in a day, although it is still trading over $1,300. It's worth mentioning that ETH has been one among the worst performances since the merge little over 2 weeks ago. Binance Coin, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, and Avalanche are also marginally down. Ripple, Matic, and Tron have all seen small daily advances. The best performance among the mid-cap alts is LUNC. Terra Classic is up 20% in a day and more than 50% weekly, maybe as a result of Kwon's latest statements. Nonetheless, with most other alts quiet today, the entire crypto market value remains around $935 billion. Following the Binance supports for Terra 1.25 burn tax, Terra Luna Classic has seen far less volatility in the price for the last 7 days. LUNC maintained a price range of around $0, the most recent price decreases. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily trading volume, implemented Terra's 1.2% burn tax on September 26. Within an hour of Binance's announcement, LUNC's price surged by more than 45% from $0. In addition, Terra Classic's price increased by 161% in the past month. Terra Classic current status: there are 6.8 trillion Terra Classics in circulation. The LUNC community's target fixed supply for LUNC tokens is 10 billion. In total, 7 billion LUNC tokens have been burned, of which 4.2 billion were sent to burning addresses and 2.7 billion were burned via tax. Since this tax burning mechanism, Terra Luna Classic prices are increasing significantly. The price of LUNC has risen by over 14% in the last week and by around 30% over the past month. At the time of writing, LUNC traded at $0, a trading volume of $599,241,638. LUNC increased by more than 3.08% in the last 24 hours with a market cap of $1,811,063,932 as per coin market cap. Will the LUNC price be reduced? After the tragic collapse of Terra's initial chain Luna in May 2022, the Terra network is sustaining its posture with Terra Classic. Following this crash, the cryptocurrency market began its negative trip, which has persisted to this day. However, the Terra Classic saw a bullish trend in September, with LUNC gaining 70% on the first day and approximately 250% on September 8. The reason for this was the proposed 1.2% tax. This regulation stated that any LUNC transactions done on distinct wallets will be charged a 1.2% fee. Additionally, this charge would be used to burn LUNC tokens by transferring them to a dead address. Then, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, promised to burn all LUNC spot and margin trading fees against BUSD and USDT by sending them to the LUNC burn address. The LUNC community verified this on Twitter, stating that Binance would charge a 1.2% consolidation fee on all deposits received. Will the LUNC price be reduced? Terra Classic is now trading at $0, a 3.11% increase in the previous 24 hours. Terra Luna Classic's movement, as well as fresh advances in the network, has provided respite to its investors and traders. On September 29, Terra Rebels, a Twitter account dedicated to the Terra network and its announcements, sent a tweet announcing the updated Terra Classic route map. Several improvements for Terra Luna Classic are planned for the fourth quarter of 2022, according to the updated roadmap. Among these ambitions are developers' intentions to suspend market swap in the near future and to release new network enhancements. Conveniently, as the Terra Classic price is settling into a positive trend, trading volume has dropped, which isn't favorable for its price movement. Along with trade volume, the currency's social volume has reached a low point. As a result, these considerations point to a price squeeze rather than a gain. LUNC token burn. Terra Luna Classic news today. The revelation of community member Edward Kim's planned tax burn policy has caused the LUNC price to skyrocket. The aim is to impose a 1.2% fee for all LUNC transactions across wallets and chains. This charge would also be used to burn the LUNC token and transfer it to a dead address. The tokens would be permanently removed from the overall supply, resulting in token deflation. The proposal was submitted on September 1st and became online on September 20th. The 1.2% tax burn is intended to limit the token's total supply to 10 billion tokens. Once this is accomplished, the overall supply will be frozen. The idea was presented to the community, who approved it with a 99.98% vote. Binance Crypto Exchange has also embraced the proposal, which implies that a 1.2% tax burn will be enforced on every LUNC transaction on Binance, including on spot and margin trading pairings. So these were the developments that pushed the token's price up. How much has been burned up until this point? 6.9 billion tokens have been burnt as of the end of September, according to the Twitter account. After the 1.2% tax burn, 2.64 billion of these 6.9 billion tokens are burnt. Furthermore, 9.41% of the total supply of LUNC tokens has been staked. The total supply is currently 6,900,481,089,689. At this rate, the project may be completed sooner than projected. What does LUNC's future hold? If the initiative follows through on its goal of lowering the total quantity of tokens to 10 billion, their price will skyrocket. After the great crash, the project has gained so much. Nobody expected it to be among the top cryptocurrencies only a few months after the collapse. There will be more in the line of restoring the Terra Classic, and sooner or later, the Terra Classic will stand where it fell. LUNC Classic News Today. The Terra Classic is once again making headlines in the cryptocurrency industry, but this time for a good purpose. Terra Classic's price increased by more than 400% in September due to a 1.2% tax burn. As a result, 2.64 billion tokens are delivered to invalid addresses. The token is rising in the rankings of the major cryptocurrencies, and it is currently ranked 31st. Terra's reaction to Kwon's case. The demise of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra Luna and its native token Luna was a surprising occurrence in the cryptocurrency world. Many private and institutional investors lost billions of dollars as a result. It also plunged the whole cryptocurrency business into an unprecedented turmoil. Following the collapse of the stablecoin, several developments have occurred. As a result, various investigations and legal lawsuits have been launched against Kwon, the founder of Terraform Labs. First, South Korean prosecutors made several accusations against Terra chief. In addition, the International Criminal Police Organization issued him a red notice. The Interpol called for Kwon to be arrested immediately by law enforcement throughout the world. The breakdown of Terra and its ecosystem resulted in a significant loss of over $60 billion in investor capital in the first half of the year. South Korean prosecutors asked Interpol's aid in apprehending Kwon. Prosecutors accused Terra's leader of disappearing in order to dodge their investigations. Kwon was observed in Singapore, according to a source. However, the local police reported that he afterwards departed. Following the Interpol notice, the prices of Terra Classic and the newly introduced Terra Luna fell somewhat. According to others, Kwon has gone into hiding after Terra and its environment collapsed. Terraform Labs has finally responded to the Kwon lawsuit. While speaking with Bloomberg, the company claimed that the matter is extremely political. The spokeswoman said that the actions of the South Korean prosecutors were unjust in every way. According to the spokeswoman, the prosecutors violated the fundamental rights guaranteed by Korean law. He also said that the prosecution claims against Kwon of violating capital market legislation demonstrated reasonable prejudice. This is Crypto Block IQ. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest price analysis and trading systems signals. We focus on LUNC News Today, Terra Luna Classic News Today. Luna Classic Price Prediction. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the right to get to more Bitcoin price prediction analysis.